Hi everyone and welcome back to another PA automation tutorial, this time running the get staff account details automation in ConnectWise for a cloud hybrid client. We will then go through our automation list and we can see we can search up our get staff account details package. We select this prompt, PA then goes through the environment through Azure Active Directory, finds all synced users and produces a list of those users. We select Go, we hit go, and then PA will go through and find all the attributes we want to know about for this user and will produce a form just like this one. So now we scroll slightly up and we can see here are all the details of that user. We do also have licenses that are involved. We have email address, we have password expiration, all that good stuff. And we also have a bunch of suggested automations afterwards. And just like that, you have now completed a staff account details report. If you want to learn more about PIA, our automations, or our platform, please feel free to have a look at our website at pia.ai. Apart from that, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.